I'm not with Metro anymore. I'm now with TNT.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean, and I'll be down now.
This is from the Kiss
Anytime
Box.
you call me, I'll be down. I'll be down. Because I
Dorime.
love and I love and I love and I love you. Oh, and let the smoke clear. Mira. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing 60 slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. No, she wasn't mine, she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not in love, then it's gon' be some shit. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my way, you selling action. These days, no kumaye. Niggas be blasting, living in the midst of this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, this life shit ain't all bad. Let it better murder.
Hey besties, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do that. Please subscribe, like, share this video, comment, and if you're already a subscriber, you know how we roll. One love. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate your love and support for me. So yesterday I went to the mall to do some shopping. There's this Swarovski bracelet that I have. I have a video of it on my TikTok page. You can check the description for my TikTok handle. So yeah, I wanted a neck piece that, goes with it. So I went to the store, but unfortunately it was sold out. But they took my details and they said they're going to reach out to me when they restock. Yeah. So I couldn't get the necklace. But then I got perfumes. I'm sure you guys did. I didn't show you guys the perfume I'll be getting. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys today. I got two perfumes, and to be honest, one of the perfumes I got, the reason why I got it is because I've been seeing a lot of people talk about it on TikTok, like the hype about this perfume is so much, and I'm like, okay, no problem. It's in my bucket list. Someday I'll get this perfume, and the someday was yesterday. So yeah, I got the perfume, and guys, this perfume is super expensive. I really don't know if it is the hype that made it expensive or if it's just the brand, because I really don't understand why it is so expensive. So I got just two perfumes, one Prada. I've never tried this perfume, but yeah, I heard it's a good one. And this is the Odogu. The Odogu. This is Delina. Yeah, so I've been seeing a lot of people post it on TikTok saying, "Oh, it's a nice perfume. It smells good, blah blah blah." But to be honest, smelt it. Yeah, when they gave me a test, I smelt it, and I don't know, the scent was just there. I feel like it smells like the regular designer uh perfume. I don't think there's anything spectacular about it. Well, maybe I don't know because I've actually not worn the perfume out. So maybe when I spray it on my outfit and probably wash my outfit and the smell is still there, then oh no, because I really don't know why the perfume is so expensive. Like, guys, to be honest, and I went to the store to pick the perfume. I'm like, okay, this is the one I want. And they told me, I'm like, oh, Chimo. I started rethinking my decision. I'm like, you know what? I picked it already. Let's just pay. What's the worst that can happen? We use it. Use it like that. Yeah. At least I've gotten it. I just hope this perfume is worth it because yo, the price is well. Anyway, they gave me a gift. An air freshener, an Arabian air freshener. I haven't opened it. You know what? Let me open the perfume. Let's see what it looks like. The Almighty Delina. Dorime. Intanino agamatu dorime. Ameno, ameno, latire no, dorime, dorime oh. Yeah, so this, I perceived like the different type they had, and this is the scent I went for. This was the one I preferred. Not to put that so small. It's okay. Just there. It's nice. Like I made my research and they said it's really long lasting. So let's hope it is because I don't understand. Even Valentino is long lasting. Giorgio Armani, my way is long lasting. And they're not as freaking expensive as this one. So this one, if you know last my clothes 3 times, even after washing it like 3 times, make I see they perceive the smell. Go pay me. Go pay me big time. Dirty man. And do with care. Amen. No. Okay, let's check the product. To be honest, aside the smell, aside the scent, whatever, the reason why I actually like this product perfume, to be honest, is because of the bottle, the shape. That is why I like it. I just like the shape. But the Delina smells nice, oh. Like the whole room is, it smells nice. Just this small thing that I sprayed and I can perceive it even from afar. It's already all over the room. That's nice. Okay. No wonder it's expensive. But then, oh, I like this product perfume. Wow. The Prada has a stronger scent than the Delina, but the Delina is kind of like this. The Delina has this floral. I don't know how to, I'm not like all those perfume analysts that know how to break down the scents in the perfume. You understand the flavor or how they call it. I don't know, but the Delina is giving this girly vibe, like this floral scent. Hmm. But the Prada has a very strong scent, like very strong. I won't say it's giving this floral scent, no, but I don't know. But it's nice. Both of them are nice. Yeah, both of them are nice. The Delina or the Odogu and the Prada are nice. We have come to the end of our unboxing video. Today I don't think I'm going to do anything. Maybe I'll just go do something for my brand, my business, Zakin Aesthetics. Yeah. Tomorrow I'll go change. Tomorrow or next, I'm not sure yet. I'll go change this nail design and go for something else, and that's because this is it's already pulling like bad already. So that's what I'll do later, guys. Bye.
To go to university because we don't have money to send anybody to university. And when he said that, the voice of the room said that God will supply. I'll go to university. That's what he said.
Right now, I'll be unboxing my iPhone 16 Pro Max accessory. Well, actually, not just 16 Pro Max. I purchased an iPhone 16 Pro Max, an iPad Air, and yeah, a Pencil Pro, of course. So I ordered accessories for it, and it just arrived. And let me tell you a backstory. You see, these gadgets, I've actually gotten them since March, yeah, end of March, and this is currently the 20 something of May. I don't know, I can't remember today's date, but yeah, this is May. And I got the gadgets in March, and I was not really ready to use it, so I just kept it in my closet. And then when I got ready to start using my stuffs, I decided to order customized accessories. I bumped into this page on Instagram where they sell customized accessories, and I liked it, and I decided to place an order. And they told me to take about 10 to 15 days to be ready, which I agreed. So I placed the order in April, I think the 23rd of April. And yeah, this is almost the end of May. I think today is 20th. Yeah, today is the 20th of May, and I'm just receiving it. Like, I waited over almost a month, which although the person that attended to me is actually, she's cool, she's nice, but I was not really happy because it took time. Yeah, the package took time, and I also ordered accessories for my MacBook, and unfortunately, she said there was an oversight, and that the factory didn't know that the MacBook was part of the accessories they will be customizing. So she said I have to wait for like another 10 to 15 days. And I'm like, oh, God, why? Why me? But then she's a nice person, so I didn't really take it to heart. So I'll just wait for the 10 to 15 days. Hopefully, it will be delivered max 15 days and not 20 something days or 30 days like this one, because this one really took time. And I really hope that it is actually what I ordered. I really hope so, because to wait this long, because I want it customized. Ah, that's really what I want. Yeah, this is the package we'll be unboxing it. That is from the case hot. You guys should patronize that. They really sell unique packages. They sell unique accessories. Mm, not bad. Yeah, lest I forget, I made a video of my gadgets. So I'm just going to put it here for my YouTube family so you guys can see the gadget. Yeah, so I've unboxed it. So, but I'm still gonna show you guys. Hey, yeah, this is a 16 Pro Max. This is the Pencil Pro. I follow. And this is the iPad Air. I opened this one, but I wrapped it back. I wrapped it back. Yeah, this is it. So now let's get into the accessories. What I waited almost a month for. This is for my airpod. Hmm, not bad. Yes, hold on. Let me get my airpod because I don't know why the case is separate. I thought it should be like attached here so I can open it. It's the airpod. Okay. Mm, great. This is so cute. I came with this. Right? Ooh, oopsie. Okay, so I ordered a case for my pencil also, but this one is not customized. I got it in pink. Mm, this is quite difficult to fix. Am I doing it wrong?
One eternity later.
Okay, I've been able to wear it. I'm so happy. Mm, wow, this is cute. Now the phone feels heavy without the pouch. It's very light and I like it. But with the pouch, it now feels heavy and wide. Okay. And now to the MacBook. I mean the iPad. got a lanyard and I got screen guard also from Balogun Market. So I've been able to fix it, and this is what we have. Yay! Nice. I'm not with Metro anymore. I'm now with TNT. This is what it looks like. It's just so sad that my MacBook case didn't come. Yeah, this is it. Oh, yeah, I love it. I love it. I just have to wait another 15 days for my MacBook case too. Alright. I don't think I'll do an unboxing for that one because I'm sure you guys will already have an idea of what it looks like.